Welcome to this video on the architecture of a global giant, Samsung. We will decode the structural economics and global ecosystem of this technology titan. Samsung's scale is staggering. With a global market capitalization of 745 billion euros and operating revenue of 333.6 trillion Korean won projected for FY 2025, it operates in over 76 countries. Samsung's journey began in 1938 as a trading company dealing in groceries, dried fish, and textiles. By the mid-20th century, it diversified into electronics, eventually splitting to leave Samsung Electronics as the dominant flagship enterprise in 1987. The Samsung Group is part of the chaebol ecosystem, a network of interlinked companies. Key entities include Samsung Engineering, Samsung Heavy Industries, Samsung C&T Corporation, Samsung Life Insurance, and Cheil Worldwide. Samsung Electronics is the flagship at the center of this empire. Founded in 1969, it is the single largest revenue generator within the Samsung Group and a global technology leader. The symbiotic engine of Samsung Electronics consists of two divisions: Device Experience, focusing on consumer products like smartphones and TVs, and Device Solutions, which provides foundational components like memory chips and LSI chips. The ecosystem is carried by over 1 billion active users. Samsung has reclaimed the top spot in global smartphone sales and holds a 22% total global market share. Samsung has dictated the global display market for 2 decades, holding 29.1% of the total global TV market share. They also control over 54% of the premium television market, priced above $2,500. Samsung is the invisible foundation of modern computing, being the world's largest memory chip manufacturer. Their portfolio includes NAND flash memory, legacy DRAM, and system LSI and foundry services. Tracing a 333.6 trillion Korean won footprint, Samsung's revenue streams span across mobile tech, consumer electronics, semiconductors, and home appliances, distributed across 76 nations globally. The company is investing heavily in the future with a $73 billion pipeline by 2026 for R&D and facility investment. Key areas include AI leadership, advanced fabrication, and connectivity and mobility. The architectural ethos of the ecosystem is built on 4 pillars: innovation, integrity, excellence, and global co-prosperity. Samsung is more than a corporation. It is a national catalyst. By shaping global consumer tech trends, it played a central role in transforming South Korea into a global technology powerhouse. The gravity of Samsung illustrates a unified architecture of relentless expansion, from its trading origins to global dominance through a core, engine, ecosystem, and impact. Samsung is the architect of the modern data economy. From a regional trading outpost to a global technology titan, its legacy is one of strategic transformation, manufacturing the foundation upon which the future is built.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share for more content.